to another amazing video that I have for you. Of course, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. The link is down below for my profile, where I literally post daily videos and photos of beauty, fashion, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making, so you won't miss anything. With that, hit the subscribe button down here, and of course the little bell, so you will be notified when I post videos every single week. So thank you. So let's get into this wig right here. This was my first full silver wig. When the silver trend came out, I was like, I have to have it. I need it in my life, and it's literally this luxurious, curly, beautiful wig. And honestly, this card does not do her justice. Absolutely not. She doesn't. So this is actually by a brand that I really love, by ZURY. Love their wigs. Their color spectrums are off the charts. They're gorgeous. So I actually have this wig in this indigo blue because I loved it so much. I was like, you know, I really need to get another color because it literally is amazing. So I have it there. Do check that out. I'll leave the link down below, and of course the link for everything down below as well, including my information. Anyway, so let's just get into it. So this is in the Sombre. So again, like I mentioned with the ZURY, with their color spectrums, this Sombre is literally, the colors in this line are colors like I've never seen before. And they're striking. There's just no other way to say it. Like I have this purple one here, and then I have some other wigs of, I'll just pop them up here. They're all really great. So this is actually in platinum silver and in the style of Ivy Lace H ARI. This is safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit if you choose to use heating products on it, but literally the curls are breathtaking. Breathtaking, I said it. So this also has a deep lace hand-tied off-center natural seat part. Okay, so let's talk about the wig. So let's look at her. Let's look at this dream piece. I mean, look at that beautiful color. My most favorite thing about, like I said, the colors of this wig line is just amazing. With that, but so of course it has this dark, you know, pretty, it's a black root, but it also is like smudged in with the silver, if you can see. So it's not like super straight black, like it's a mix. But so then it goes into the silver, and then it fades into this very dirty silver at the bottom. I mean, look at that. Oh my gosh, that's what I love about it. It literally looks so real. I can't get over it. And honestly, so I've been wearing wigs every single day because my hair, you know, it's platinum, and I've been giving it a break, and literally just like I have a ton of leave-in conditioner in my hair. So she's you know, she's on the down low right now. No one has seen her except for you guys right now. So I've been wearing wigs every single day, and honestly, I can say that my life has greatly improved from such an event. And who knew that having glamorous hair every single day could be so life-changing? And it's like, why was I just wearing them randomly when I could be wearing them daily? Because I can't talk about it. What I'll say is, if you're not wearing them daily, give it a shot and see how great your life is afterwards. Okay, anyway, I just totally got so distracted. I'm very distracted right now. So let's talk about the construction of the wig. So, like I said, there's that C part, if you can see right there, natural C part. There are two clips right here in the front, and then there is one clip in the back with the fasteners. So let me let you look at the inside of the wig. I do not remember if I tweezed it. I'm sure I did. I was on a tweezing frenzy when I first got wigs that I over tweezed. I over plucked. I did it. I mean, I will admit it to the max. But let's just get into this. So, of course, I have my nude wig cap that I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. The link is down below. Literally get the 10-pack. You will need it. I literally have like 20 wig caps here because you can't not have one if you choose to wear one, of course. So I do like them. This is a nude. They come in multiple colors and styles if you choose. So this is on, that's pretty good. All right, so I believe she's fastened from the last time I wore her properly. Okay, oh my gosh. I mean, oh, look guys, look how just insane this is. Okay, I do feel like she has just like standard shedding, nothing aggressive, just like a regular wig. She has a lot of hair right up here in front. So I remember when I first wore her, okay, let me just show you down the middle. Now, because I normally don't wear it down the middle, but just so you can see. Ooh. Okay, now I'm gonna put her on the side that I normally put my hair. So this is where you get the va-va-voom. I feel like the va-va-voom of this front part. So I remember when I first wore her, because she is so much hair like right here, that I was like, I think this is too much. But no, you just gotta, I mean, look how great this looks. So again, I absolutely love this wig. I love it in the blue. I'm a huge fan of it. If you like a lot of hair, if you like glamorous hair, I mean, is this ever wrong? So I super appreciate all of you watching, subscribing, liking, reaching out to me. Of course, my Instagram is down here, down below. I honestly would love to hear from you and see you in your wigs and maybe your lined lips. Show me, I wanna see photos. So I so appreciate all of you. And remember, it is your absolute right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So, be fabulous. And we will see you soon. Bye.